She's going straight to that box.
Let me
Hey,
move.
look. Oh. He's going, this is my box.
Listen to him.
Yeah, brown.
I don't think I've ever heard him roar before. I've heard him roar 1,000 times. Me out.
There's something in there.
No, the tiger want me. Tiger.
What's in the box, Tiger?
Fish. No, that one. No,
Here comes the next one. Look, watch. Here it comes. Whoa. Oh, wow.
That must be the boy one.
Wow, look at that.
You gotta jump. Harder than what kind of it. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Oh my God.
What? That's up close. He's like, I'm hunting for that other one over there.
Yep. Is that Albie?
Yeah.
Here's Albie.
Big enough.
I wish he would.
No, okay. Lion, okay. Come.
His teeth are very sharp. They are very sharp.
They all gone, Daniel?
It's very powerful.
Figures.
Mine is
Haven't seen a box up over there.
That guy has sharp teeth. Yeah, all sharp teeth.
I can only get a side view picture.
No, lion.
Yes, it is, honey.
Now.
That is very, watch out, baby. You're kicking this off. In your teeth.
There he is right there. See him? That's a tiger right there, man.
No.
No, you don't want him out.
Yeah, those are the sharp.
Are you going to go get a box, Tiger? Those are very sharp.
He's watching
teeth.
something inside there.
You got that right.
See him?
They don't want to, but they can.
Right.
Away!
Oh, here we
that
go.
one's the mama and that was the dad.
No, girl.
Away! That's what I said. Sharks don't want to eat. They want to eat fish.
Yeah, boy.
Close for comfort.
Videotaping? Yeah, that is beautiful shot there.
Look how pretty your fur is.
I know. How do they not? I know you like the orange tigers. Their tongue not get stuck. How can they not bite their tongue?
Just like we don't bite our tongue.
Yeah, because they have sharp teeth.
That one must not be hungry. Alright, have you seen it? Are you good? They're not doing the blood balls like they did last year, baby.
It doesn't look like